Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu isalukazi sendoda leSugogo Bathini Mbatha. And away to the issue of the coronavirus. It's a very serious issue. It needs a medical attention, not a traditional attention. Please, let's do as the government has advised us. We know what as a Ndabuko, we have our own issues. Ukuthi ngesikhathi uhulumeni issue statements sakhe azange abe clear, or ama ministers azange abe clear ukuthi what if you need a traditional help and uhamba ugogo bathini noma uhamba ugogo sibanibani wherever anywhere in South Africa, and then what happened about you? But anyway, let's respect umthetho esiphila ngaphansi kuwona wase South Africa. Ngani zakwethu namhlanje sikhuluma ngokuthi when things are going bad, don't go with them. Stop blaming people about your own problems. Ngani zakwethu we have many problems as people, and the most dangerous problems that we have is to push the blame. I'm not doing well because of abangithanda emsebenzini. I'm not doing well because of ngithatha usibanibani. I don't have a car because of this. My business is not going well because of ngithatha auntie. I don't usibanibani. We cannot to keep on pushing blames all over the place. And singakwazi ukuyinwa amakhwapha ukuthi okay, what have you done wrong then? The one thing that you are doing wrong is instead of going and looking for help, you are sitting down and you are blaming people. That's why ufuna ukuhlolelwa ngefone uhlele ekhaya ula eThekwini ula eGoli. There are people that, you know, if ever ithongo lami belivuma abaphesheya ibona engabahlolela ngoba abala eSouth Africa baphesheya. I mean, just think about it. Traveler from overseas to come here just for ukuhlola. It's not fair. But there's nothing I can do at this moment because ithongo lami lithi no telephone consultation. So they do come. But when uhlele ekhaya you pushing blames, awuthola umsebenzi, yazi Shandu angiwathola amathenda, ngiyasola ukuthi kunabantu abahambisa ama brown envelope ingakho thina sivalela ngaphandle in I have people abahamba la ekhaya who are getting ama tenders left, right and center without any brown envelope, but ngokuyilungisa kwabo. So when you are sitting out there, you are pushing blames to everyone. So today we're saying to you, just think about it. Make a decision. This is your life at the end of the day. Make a decision. What is that you want in life? Where do you see yourself in life? Who do you think will help you? Maybe ngakini kunomthandazi okhona, but umthatha kancane undermine. But you can see people going to that mthandazi and everything. But wena, no. All you know is to pere. This and this and this. Ubani uthenga imoto, hayi unama boys. Ubani wenzana, hayi into ethize. Ubani wenzana into ethize. When life yakho it's stuck on one place. Why? Because you don't want to take action. All you are doing is to push blames. Yazi ekhaya nibabona nje kwaShandu baphila kanjena ugogo wasitshela ukuthi kwaShandu bathwebule idlozi lasekhaya ukuthi lisebenzele bona. Okay. Then what? Then what are you doing about it? Why ungathola umuntu ezokwazi ukuthi ebuyisele lo nhlanhla yakini ke? Yazi I'm not doing well in ngiphethwe izinyawo and everything. Have you been to the doctor? Have you been to ulokhuzana isibhedlela sangakini ukuthi uyoxilongwa and everything? Then you can know ukuthi okay, mabathi this is not a medical doctor. Ngathi into lenihambisana nembulelo in. Uyile yini kumuntu kumela kwendabuko? Anyway, you just keep on blaming people. Nibabona usibanibani baba successful kanjena ukuthi bahamba inyanga. Why ungayihamba inyanga? Wena why when uhlaleleni wena? Because your life is not moving. Nothing is happening. I'm not getting a promotion and everything. Emsebenzini, they are racist. Yazi emsebenzini, yazi nje company nethu ngabona ku promote amandiya. Yazi India njena livele lifike manje li promote likhuphuke in. What are you doing about it wena ke? India lihambile la uyenza i-tradition yakubo. Umlungu uhambile wa connect nabakubo wathi rub shoulders nabalungu bakubo and they're speaking the same language. Wena, what are you doing about it? We can't, guys, we can't keep on pushing blames. If your life is where it is now, no one else responsibility ukuthi ayilungise. It's your responsibility because it's your life at the end of the day. No one is coming to rescue you. I've always said in other videos, this is your life. Wena, fix your own life. Don't expect abantu ukuthi they'll have mercy. Usibanibani solo kwaqala ukusebenza sekayitshena. No, akayitshena usibanibani. Uyasebenza manje. Abangani bakhe ilabangani asebenza nabo. Usibanibani akayiqhenyi njengoba sekane business. Hamba nabanye abantu bamabhizinisi because they are speaking the same language yebhizinisi. Akayiqhenyi. Usibanibani soloka ayiphweni njena uhave ayiqhenya sekayitshela isangoma. No, hayi ukuthi uyithi ukuthi isangoma siphela sisemhlabeni. Usekhuluma nezinye izangoma nabanye abela bendabuko ngoba bakhuluma the same language. Usibanibani yasasifunda naye usibanibani umbona njena sekayiqhenya. Akayiqhenye. Uhamba nalaba abasezingeni lakhe. Akayiqhenye. Stop pushing blames to other people. This is your life, Nganza wethu. That's why there's medical doctors. That's why there's traditional doctors. That's why there's amasanusi like Babu Credo Motor and everything. But we don't utilize these people. I'll give a typical example about the late traditional healer Ubaba Credo Motor. May his soul rest in so much comfort. I don't know what can I say, but I'll do a video about him especially. Ubaba Credo Motor began a solution of the world. Ubaba Credo Motor, he was not your day-to-day Gogo Bathini Mbatha to go ngizohlola ngiphethe iqolo and everything. Bekaphethe ama solution omhlaba. But the question is, did the world utilize him? They didn't. That's why we have problems that we have now. What a coincidence. President announced ngapha Babu Credo uyashiya ngapha. Food for thought. Then you get abatandas. We don't utilize them. Just around the corner from where we are, we don't utilize them. We have abela bendabuko all over the world, all over South Africa, who are very good. We don't utilize them. Then we complain about Uguti, my life, I'm stuck here, I don't have it. We have abafundis that are very good. We don't utilize them. Why? Sifun push ama plane. Government, le 21 days lena, umuntu uzodlani, umuntu ngeke asakwazi ayophanda ini, ubuvela ungaphandi 21 days of lockdown ingakafiki. Ubuvela uhlele ekhaya, ubuvela ungafuni kwenza lutho ngempilo yakho. Why do you blame 21 days now? What is 21 days? No, even if babathe it's a lockdown of 1 day, we still goes complain. Why we pushing blames? So Nganza wethu, let's wake up and smell the coffee and stop pushing blames. Stand up and go look for help. That's it. Umshado wakho uyaphela njena ngoba uhlele phansi. Bakuthathela indoda, bakuthathela umfazi njena ngoba uhlele phansi. You are too relaxed. You are too relaxed. Zinuka amakhwapha lapho ukhona and stand up and do something about your life. This video it's simply because of I get a lot of calls, people sending long messages and everything. Right, ngisolo dadwethu umfowethu uhlezeza nembuzi la ekhaya wenza ini siyasola ukuthi uyena osithatha la ekhaya. Okay. When he's doing something, even if you're Tagata, now hambi Tagata. Simple. Don't forget to subscribe and look forward for the new Gogo Bathini Mbatha show that is going to be on TV very soon. For now, you can catch us on Gogo at Bathini Mbatha .co.za, Gogo at Bathini Mbatha.co.za, and also you can call us on 082 833-4063 082-833-4063. Mzansi, wake up. Stop making payments over the phones. Ungakaze umbone lo muntu ukhuluma ngaye noma babe Gogo Bathini or usibani bani, I don't care. Stop making payments umuntu ungakaze umbone. Malucho.